Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. If you're using iPhone 17 and are tired of waking up to the same alarm sound every day, the good news is that Apple lets you easily change alarm tune. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the alarm sound on your iPhone 17. Let's get started. Start by opening the clock app on your iPhone, then tap on the alarm tab at the bottom. Here, select the alarm you want to edit or tap on the plus button to create a new alarm. Now tap on the sound option and choose a new alarm tune from the list. You can tap any sound to preview it before selecting. You also have the option to use any song you like as your ringtone. In the sound menu, tap on pick a song, then choose a song from your Apple Music library. Go back and save your selection. Make sure the song is downloaded to your device for best results. You can also change alarm vibration. On the sound screen, tap on haptics from the top. Select a vibration pattern or tap create new vibration. Save and go back. This is useful if you prefer vibration along with sound. If you're worried about alarm volume, then don't be. It is linked to your ringtone volume. To change this, open settings, tap on sounds and haptics and adjust the ringtone and alert slider. For consistent alarm volume, turn off the change with buttons option. This will prevent the ringtone and alarm volume from changing with the volume buttons. And that's how you can easily change the alarm sound on your iPhone 17 in just a few taps. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.